Hi. Ooh. uh, this is the clear lock that I got from Banggood. Uh, Comes with these two tools, which I use mostly on this lock. Um, Also comes with these tools. If you can see them, yeah. Uh, did I drop a piece? Oh, it's still there. And it comes with a key to boink, unlocked. Okay. Yeah, so this part, they show this on, there's a video for it, but you stick this piece in, I forget what it's called, and keep some pressure on it uh, that's clockwise. And you stick this thing in, and you have to try to find the two hardest I forget what these things are called. And push them down. No. Okay, well, you get the idea. Okay, goodbye.